Hello everyone. Today I want to demonstrate our 12-inch scoring board. This scoring board has a 12 by 6 3/4 inch actual scoring surface. The front side has a built-in extender arm to make it a 12 by 12 inch measuring area. The fold knife is self-storing. Padded feet make it nice and stable. I just pulled the knife out from here, open the extender arm, and we're ready to go. Now let's make an A2 envelope with card. On the included measuring chart, here's the folded card size, paper size, and score line. Open the arm like this. For the 4 by 5 inch card, first, I simply score the card at 4 inches. You can fold crisp, easy lines. Just fold it. I like to smooth it down with the knife. Slide the arm into the slot, place your 7.5 by 7.5 inch cardstock, find 3 3/8 inch to make my first score mark. After that, it's super easy. I just turn it and line my paper with this little triangle, and I score again. You need the alignment number for the first score. For the rest, you don't have to go back and measure. Our corner and notch punch is sold separately. Line up with these 2 marks right here and notch it. And use the other side to cut the corner. Now I just cut away the little triangle pieces. You can use scissors, but this makes very pretty cuts. I fold both sides in, and again, I use the score knife to smooth the edges. Add adhesive tape along these lines. Insert the card we made before. Here's my envelope. Pretty easy. Now let's make an envelope box. I'm using 9 by 9 inch cardstock. For that, here's the box size, paper size, and 2 score lines. I place my paper here to score it at 3.5 inches, using the triangle as my guide. Then slide the paper over to 5 inches. Score firmly again. Now we don't need to measure the size again. Just rotate the paper like before. Line up each line with a triangle piece. And we're going to make 2 scores on all 4 sides. There are so many convenient size options with these tools, and we love the gift box option. It's so versatile. Using our corner and notch punch again, which is sold separately, line up with these 2 marks right here and notch twice, like this. Turn it and use the other side to cut the corner. This makes very pretty cuts. Now use scissors to make only 1 cut on each side, like this, so it will fold in to make a box. It's sturdy and folds easily, but you can add adhesive if you like. Close the sides, and here's my envelope box. It's really easy. For a 4 by 4 by 2 inch gift box with lid, I'm using 12 by 12 inch paper. Here's the box size, paper size, and score lines for the base and lid. Slide open the extender arm. For the base box, score firmly at 2 and 4 inches. Then rotate the paper. Do the same scoring at 2 and 4 inches. Remember to press firmly as you go. I'm going to score twice on all 4 sides. You're going to follow the same directions when you make the lid, according to the provided measurements for this box. Now cut along the score marks on 2 opposite ends like this. Fold the flaps inward. It's designed so well you don't need double-side tape because of the sturdy layers. With your lid, they'll fit together perfectly. Now let's make pretty accordion rosettes with ease using our craft scoring board. Trim the paper to any desired size. Score the lines firmly every 1/4 inch on the whole paper. Flip it if needed to cover the whole piece, like an accordion. You want to have a continuous circle with even peaks. Easily fold the paper to make the rosettes like this. This is 1/2 of your flower. Make another and glue them together. Look at all of these creative options for decoration or embellishment. Thanks for watching.